Hi guys, the plan today is to put the jet boat on the stream. It's flowing pretty fast there. Well, we'll try it and find out. Right, having no end of trouble with this today. The weed guard under here has come off, so I've got gravel and all sorts of dirt going up inside there, and I'm having to keep cleaning it out. I'll give it another go, but I'm going to have to replace that weed guard somehow. I'm going to have to abandon this without the weed guard in there on the bottom. We're just getting all sorts of muck in there and it's blocking the jet. So, failure really. We had one or two runs up there, but that was it. It'll probably look alright if I edit it carefully, but the truth is, without the weed guard, we're wasting our time. So thanks for watching anyway.